Every great artwork, no matter the era, is built from the same basic ingredients, the elements of art. Today, some of history's greatest artists are here to introduce the one they made their own.
Line, the most basic building block of art. A mark that moves. Lines can be thick or thin, straight or curved, and they guide the viewer's eye through the entire composition. Perspective is the rein and rudder of painting. I believe that drawing wasn't just about making marks on paper, it was about learning to see. To me, line came first. Before color, before light, before paint, an artist had to understand the world through careful observation and thoughtful drawing. Line, shape, form, color, texture, value, space. These 7 elements are the language of art. Every masterpiece, from the Renaissance to today, begins with them. Look around your classroom, your school, or even your home. How many different kinds of lines can you find? Can you spot straight lines, curved lines, diagonal lines, zigzags,